Today we will learn how we can digitize features in ArcGIS, and also we'll see how we can label those features. First of all, open a blank map, and then here in add data we'll just add a base map. Click on imagery and edit. Once it has been loaded, zoom into the area of your interest. I'll have to zoom in more. Now again I'll go to add data, add base map, and I'll add the topographic. Allow it to get loaded. I'll just untick this once, world imagery. And here today we are going to digitize this lake and this road. In order to digitize, we'll have to create a polygon. For that, we'll go to this catalog option. In catalog, first of all you will need a folder. I have already created a folder on my desktop named digitize. So I'll just click on that digitize. Right click, then click on new, and then we'll add a shapefile. Here just give the name. As I'm digitizing lake, so I'll just name it as lakes. Feature type will be polygon. We'll just set the coordinate system. You can find your coordinate system using the UTM zone finder. Here my coordinates are 44N, so I'll just go to WGS 1984, Northern Hemisphere, and I'll just set it to 44N. Press OK. And again OK. Once you have done the steps, on the right side you can see this lakes.shp has been created. Now we'll just click on this editor. If your editor panel is not active, right click on the screen and here just tick this editor. Now go to editor and start editing. Then after, select lakes and click on continue. Again we'll go to editor. In the editing window, we'll click on this create features. Now click on lakes. As you'll click on lakes, you'll see the following construction tools. So we'll just click on polygon. Now start creating a polygon. Covering your entire lake. You can zoom in for accuracy. Here I am not creating accurate boundaries. But whenever you are digitizing, zoom in and create accurate boundaries. Cover each and every point. Once it's completed, just double click. So your polygon will get closed. You can click on the color and I'll just change it to blue, increasing the outline width, and press OK. Now we'll go to editor, click on stop editing and then press yes in order to save our edits. Again we'll go to catalog. Here just right click on your folder, which is digitize in my case, and then click on new, in which you will find the option of shapefile. Now as I told you that I'll be digitizing roads, so I'll just name it as road. Road feature type will be a polyline. Again we'll just set the coordinate system. Then press OK and again OK. Now as you can see we have got one more shapefile which is road.shp. We'll click on editor and start editing. Now this time it will be road and then press continue. Again we'll go to editor, editing windows and create features. Now as you'll click on road, you'll see the below construction tools will be using a line. Now here I'm not able to correctly demarcate the boundary, so I'll just untick this world imagery and I'll use topographic map to digitize the road feature. This is just for demonstration purpose, so I'm not making it accurate. I'll also take one more road. You can zoom in, zoom out. Then you can also use this hand tool to drag your map. And then once you have used this hand tool, you can again get your line option back by just clicking on line. Here I'll just end this, and to end it just double click. I'll also digitize this road. You can zoom in so that you can create the line perfectly. Double click. Now we'll just go to editor and click on stop editing and then click on yes to save our edits. Here we want to label the features, so I'll just right click on lakes, go to the open attribute table. As we want to label it, we'll have to create one more field. We'll just add field, give it any name of your choice, and type will be text. Now if you'll double click here, you won't be able to edit because we have to go to editor and start editing. Here it's for lakes, so we'll select lakes and then continue. The name of my lake is Osman Sagar Lake. Then we'll just go to editor and stop editing and press yes to save our edits. Right click and click on this label features. As you can see, it's not visible, so we'll go to properties. In that you will find the option of labels. Tick this checkbox of label features in the layer, and here the label field will be the one which we created, which is I had named it as name. You can set the font size and font type. I'm keeping it as bold and I'm just changing the color. Apply and OK. Now you can see that the name is visible. Then after we'll also create the labels for our roads. I'll just zoom in once to see the name of the road. Right click on road and go to open attribute table. Again we'll add a field. So just click on table options and add field. Give any name of your choice. And in type it will be text. And then press OK. And you can select the row like this, so it will get highlighted. Like this road has got highlighted. If you have created many polylines, it will be helpful to you. Go to editor, then road, and continue. Here the name is Nehru Outer Ring Road and the other one is Outer Ring Road. So I'll just rename both of these. Once you have labeled it, you can just go to editor and stop editing and press yes to save your edits. Now right click on roads and select this label features. Again we'll go to properties. Here in labels, we'll just tick this checkbox, label features in this layer. Label field will be the one which we created. Change the font size and font type. I'm keeping it as bold. Apply and OK. Now you'll be able to see that we have digitized the lake and the roads, and we also gave it labels. We can even change the width. You can change the color also if you want to. Same way for lakes also, you can change the color and the outline width if you want to. So this is how you can digitize the features and add labels in ArcGIS. Thank you.